Hello guys, so today we will learn how we can create Trailhead Playground on Salesforce. So why we use Trailhead Playground in Salesforce? So we will use them to learn new things and practice on them and experiment on them, and we can use them as a playground. We can do what we want. We can do some experiments, learn new things. So this is why we use Trailhead Playgrounds. So to, to create Trailhead Playgrounds, we need Trailhead account. So I will uh, provide you a link in the description, and you need to click on that link. And so this was the link, and when you go to that link, you have to click on the sign up button, and it will ask for 4 steps. And so in the first step, you need to provide your email. You can provide an email, and then you need to click on the next button, and it will ask for your country name, state name, and a few more details. You need to complete all the 4 steps. After that you need to go to this link. Maybe it will automatically open for you after you sign up. So you will get a different page, maybe a slightly different page than me, because I have the older account and you have the newer one. So to create Trailhead Playground, you need to click on your profile. So when you click on your profile, you need to click on hands-on orgs. And when you come to this page, so in my page we have these orgs that are already connected, and because I have connected them, I have 17 orgs that I have connected. And since you have a newer account, you will not have any org connected. And to create one org, you need to click here, create playground, and you can name your org, and you can name anything, or you can use this default name also. But as per the Salesforce, they recommend that we need to be organized with a descriptive name. Like if you are learning email templates, you can name your playground to email template org. And if you're learning reports and dashboards, you can name it to reports and dashboards. Because when you have a lot of orgs and with these names, uh, Vice, Otter, Playground, or many other names, so it will create a conflict. So I have this name, Developer Edition. So I do not know what this org contains. I need to click on this launch button and then see what I have done in that org. So it will take a lot of time for me to log in and then see what uh, for what purpose I have created this org. So it's better to name it something like that: email template org, reports and dashboards org, or something a meaningful name, so that we can easily differentiate between other orgs, and we can easily delete. So if I do not need this org, I can simply disconnect from here. So it was disconnected, and after some time the Salesforce will automatically delete it. And now we have created our org, and we can simply launch that org from the launch button. So we do not need to write login ID and password. We just need to click on this launch button and it will launch our playground. So this is the benefit of connecting your orgs. So, and we can also connect many other orgs like developer edition orgs or any other org. And we will see uh, in later videos how we can create developer edition orgs, and if it if it's required. And so if it will be required, I will show you how we can connect the developer edition org using this button. So there is nothing to learn here. If we click on connect org, we just need to write our username and password. So that's it, there's nothing. And since we have opened our org, we can get this page. So first we have a welcome page, then we have install a package. We can install a package from here. We just need to write the package ID and then click on this install button. And if you require your credentials, you can click here, and then you need to click reset my password button. It will send an email to your email ID, and you will get your login credentials, and you can use them to log in. So after that you get your login credential, you can go to login.salesforce.com, and then this page will appear, and you need to just write username and your password and click on your login button. So it will log in into your org. So this is it, and this is our playground. We can do anything we want here. So this is it for now, and you can use them to do what I will teach you in tutorials. So that's it. Thanks guys for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.